Okay, ready? In English first.
Yeah, in English. In English. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bella. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Ayuda. Cumpleaños feliz. Te deseamos a ti. Cumpleaños feliz. Que cumpla feliz. Cumpleaños feliz. Te deseamos todos. Cumpleaños feliz. Okay, that was the Tillian version.